Hey everyone, Apurva again. Imagine a world where artificial intelligence not only understand human reasoning but also mirrors it, solving problems as seamlessly as human brain. That vision have moved closer to the reality with OpenAI's announcement of O3, its latest groundbreaking AI model. This isn't just a step forward; it's a leap to the realm of what some call superintelligence. What is O3? OpenAI's successor to its prior model redefines the boundary of AI capabilities with the tagline "Closer to the AGI," artificial general intelligence. O3 is being hailed as a model that outshined its predecessors not in coding and logical reasoning but also in its ability to simulate like human-like thought. Performance on benchmarks. O3 has demonstrated unprecedented results. In coding, for example, it boasts as ELO rating, a metric user to assess AI performance to player ranking in chess of 2727, far surprising Owens 1891. Even the compact O3 Mini scores between 1697 and 2073, making it more comparable predecessors. Human intelligence simulation. A key feature of O3 is its ability to achieve 87.5% of human intelligence when utilizing maximum computational power. For perspective, this puts it tendingly closer to the AGI threshold, a point where AI could rival or surpass collaborative human intelligence. The path to AGI. What makes O3 unique? OpenAI collaborated with organizations like ARC-AGI to measure O3's capabilities. These benchmarks assess abstract reasoning, creativity, and logical skills previously reserved for human cognition. With every iteration, OpenAI redefines its model to process tasks with greater autonomy and fewer resources. When we can expect O3 and O3 Mini, safety and reliability remains top priority for OpenAI. During the announcement, OpenAI CEO Sam Altman emphasizes that both models would undergo rigorous testing before the release. For O3 Mini, end of the January, and for O3 between the February. What does this mean for us? While the possibilities of O3 are thrilling, they are also raising questions about accessibility and inclusivity. Will such advanced model be limited to elite user, or will they eventually democratize AI for everyone? For the average user, O3 Mini offers a more, yet as AI edges closer to AGI, it's crucial to ensure that these tools remain beneficial, transparent, and safe for all. Thanks for watching. See you soon.